Every year, millions of accidents happen on the road. But what if your car could actually prevent them? Toyota thinks it can with Safety Sense 3.0. Today, we're diving deep into this advanced safety technology to find out if it really lives up to the promise. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, also known as TSS 3.0, is the latest upgrade to Toyota's driver assistance system. It builds on previous versions by making the sensors sharper, the cameras smarter, and the response time quicker than ever before. This system uses a combination of radar and camera sensors to monitor the road ahead. If it detects a vehicle, pedestrian, or even a cyclist in your path, it will alert you. And if you don't react in time, it can automatically apply the brakes to help avoid or reduce the severity of a collision. Dynamic radar cruise control takes traditional cruise control to the next level. It doesn't just maintain your set speed. It actively monitors traffic ahead and adjusts your speed automatically to keep a safe following distance. Perfect for highway driving and stop-and-go traffic. We all drift out of our lane from time to time, especially on long drives. Lane Departure Alert warns you if it senses you're unintentionally leaving your lane, and Steering Assist gently guides the wheel to help keep you on track. When using Dynamic Radar Cruise Control, Lane Tracing Assist works like a co-pilot. It helps keep your car centered in the lane, even around gentle curves, making long highway drives much easier and safer. Ever miss a speed limit sign? Road Sign Assist solves that. It reads important road signs like speed limits, stop signs, and yield signs, and displays them directly on your dashboard, so you'll always know the rules of the road. This is one of the newest features in Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0. Proactive Driving Assist uses cameras and sensors to anticipate potential risks. If it detects a slower vehicle, a pedestrian, or a curve ahead, it can gently adjust steering and braking to keep you safe, often before you even notice the hazard. Automatic High Beam makes night driving safer and easier. It automatically switches between high and low beams based on surrounding traffic, ensuring you always have the best visibility without blinding other drivers. Now, let's be real. No system is 100% accident-proof. Safety Sense 3.0 can't replace a focused driver, but it acts as a second set of eyes. By reducing reaction times and minimizing human error, it can prevent, or at least greatly reduce, the severity of accidents. So, can Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 prevent accidents? The answer is it makes driving safer than ever, but you are still the most important safety feature in any car. What do you think? Would you trust this technology with your family's safety? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Vehicle Insights for more car tech deep dives.